listen to the beginning sounds of words. The beginning sound is the first sound you hear when you say a word. Like in the word cow, say cow. K, k, cow. K, k, cow. Cow begins with the k sound. Now let's listen to the beginning sounds of these words. Say the word bone. Let's stretch it out. B, b, bone. B, b, bone. Say it with me. B, b, bone. Bone begins with b. Say the word banana. Stretch it out. B, b, banana. B, b, banana. Do it with me. B, b, banana. Banana begins with a b sound. Bone and banana both begin with b. They begin with the same sound. Let's go to the next two pictures. Say the word house. Let's stretch it out. House. Do it with me. House. House begins with Say the word hammer. Stretch it out. Hammer. Hammer. Say it with me. Hammer. Hammer begins with a sound. House and hammer both begin with they begin with the same sound. Let's go to the next two pictures. Say the word kangaroo. Stretch it out. K, k, kangaroo. K, k, kangaroo. Say it with me. K, k, kangaroo. Kangaroo begins with k. Say the word kite. Stretch it out. K, k, kite. Say it with me. K, k, kite. Kite begins with a k sound. Kangaroo and kite both begin with k. They begin with the same sound. Nice work listening to the beginning sounds of words. Give yourself a round of applause.